Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So, in quadratic equation, we have understood about how to solve different quadratic equation by using different method. First method we have understood about the factorization method. Then we have completed the completing square method and formula method also. So today we will understand the relation between root of the quadratic equation. The relation between the root of the quadratic equation and so today we will understand the relation between the root of the quadratic equation and coefficient. Okay, so suppose we have the formula. What is the formula? It is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. सॉल्व करने के लिए क्या है? फॉर्मूला है. let alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation. Then we can write, so one of the root is for positive and another root will be for negative sign. Therefore alpha equals to, we can write alpha equals to, we have minus b. So for alpha we have to take positive sign. So minus b plus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And for beta we have minus b. Here we have to take negative sign. So minus b minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. These are the two roots of quadratic equation, that is alpha and beta. So let's understand the operations of alpha and beta now. So when we add both the root, so by addition of both the roots, that means alpha plus beta equals to, so what is the value of alpha? It is minus b plus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. We have plus here, so we have to add plus. What is beta? Beta is minus b minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here we have the base same, so we can add easily. So alpha plus beta equals to, बेस अगर सेम होता है तो उनकी जो न्यूमरेटर है वो आपस में ऐड हो जाते हैं. और जो बेस है सेम रहेगा, तो बेस विल बी 2a. सो माइनस बी प्लस रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. ओके, वी हैव प्लस, सो प्लस, देन माइनस बी माइनस रूट b square minus 4ac. Okay, if we'll open the bracket, there is no change in sign. Okay, so now this is the positive portion and this is the negative portion, will get cancelled. So what we'll have? We have minus b minus b. So minus b will become minus 2b. So alpha plus beta equals to negative 2b divided by, we have divided by 2a. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what we will have now? We will have alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, negative b by a. Okay, so this is the first relation between coefficient and roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, so now we will see the next operation. So before I am going to erase it, you can write down, okay, or take a screenshot. So we have to write formula here. Alpha plus beta equals to negative b divided by a. Okay. It was beta equals to minus b square minus 4ac under root and 2a. Okay. So next operation will be, we will derive the product of alpha and beta. So now multiply roots of the quadratic equation. Roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, that means alpha into beta, that is multiplication. Okay, so what is alpha? Alpha is minus b plus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a into, we have beta. What is beta? It is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so we have to multiply first by b to this portion. Okay, so we can write alpha into beta equals to minus b into minus b minus b square minus 4ac plus we have positive sign. We will multiply this portion to this portion. So root b square minus 4ac into minus b minus b square minus 4ac. Okay, divide by, we have 2a into 2a, so 2a square. 2a into 2a is 2a square. Now we will open the bracket now. So minus b into minus b, b square. So alpha into beta equals to b square. Minus b into minus b is b square. Minus, see again here we have minus sign and minus sign will become positive sign. So it will become b into b square minus 4ac. Okay, then we have positive sign. So see, we will multiply this portion to this portion. So positive into negative will be negative. So we will have negative b into b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Then this portion and this portion, see it is positive, it is negative, will become negative. So b square minus 4ac into b square minus 4ac is b square minus 4ac का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. So it will become root b square minus 4ac का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. ओके, स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. रूट नहीं भी लिखे तो भी चलेगा, ब्रैकेट. ओके, अब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. सो स्क्वायर ऑफ 2 इज 4. स्क्वायर ऑफ 2 इज 4 एंड स्क्वायर ऑफ a इज a स्क्वायर. 4a स्क्वायर. नाउ सी, दिस इज द पॉजिटिव पार्ट, दिस इज नेगेटिव पार्ट, will get cancelled. Here root and square will also get cancelled. So what will remain here? It will become alpha into beta equals to b square. B square. Here, then here we have minus b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. So alpha into beta equals to b square. अब हम क्या करेंगे? ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे. सो ये माइनस इंटू बी स्क्वायर विल बिकम माइनस बी स्क्वायर, माइनस इंटू माइनस विल बिकम प्लस, एंड 4ac डिवाइड बाय 4a स्क्वायर. सो बी स्क्वायर से माइनस बी स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो गया, सो क्या बच गया, अल्फा इंटू बीटा इक्वल्स टू 4ac डिवाइड बाय 4a स्क्वायर। सो 4 से 4 कैंसिल। अब यहां पर देखो a है और यहां पर a का स्क्वायर है, तो a का स्क्वायर है इसका मतलब a इंटू a, so one of the a of a square will get cancelled by this a, so a and a square will cancel by a, therefore what will have now, alpha into beta equals to c divided by a. So this is the second relation for the roots of quadratic equation and their coefficient. Here c, a and b are nothing but the coefficient of quadratic equation. So we have both the relation, okay, therefore the relation between the roots of quadratic equation and coefficient is alpha plus beta equals to minus b divided by a and alpha into beta equals to c divided by a. So these are the two relations between the roots of quadratic equation, that is alpha and beta, and coefficient of the quadratic equation, that is a, b and c. Okay, so this is very important part because this part is going to use in our next solved problem as well as in our exercise. So you want to write, you can write or you can take a screenshot also. So आज के लिए इतना ही। अब इसके बेस वाले न्यूमेरिकल हम करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। सो बाय 2 वीडियोस आवर चैप्टर विल गेट कंप्लीट। सो अगर आप सारे के सारे प्रॉब्लम कैसा सॉल्व करेंगे, सो इट विल गुड एंड इनफ फॉर यू। सो प्रैक्टिस सेट के जो क्वेश्चन है ना, उनको भी आपको सॉल्व करना है। ओके, सो आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।